Hello, my name is Luis Ventura and I live in Miami, Florida. I have previous experience in the world of trading or Forex. But one of the things that I find out about ELLEV8 is that this is an academy that is very organized. They take you from point A to point B to point C. And the way they teach is fantastic. One of the things that I love the most is that they teach concepts that the bank use to have better return. I'm so fascinated because I know that with ELLEV8, we're going to be able to change the life of so many people around the world. Welcome to ELLEV8.